Yeah, now none of the codes are coming back now. Not even the seat code.
I unplugged it.
Ah. What happens if I kick it?
What are you guys doing?
It doesn't like the, I have established permanent residency in the back of this Bentley.
I see that.
We've taken this thing apart like 14 times already. So the issue is one of our can lines is going down, so the car's in single wire mode, and then like half the functions don't work. Thanks, Volkswagen. It's another Beetle with running shoes.
Running shoes?
Yeah.
Like boots, maybe.
They stick like a big motor in it to make it like super go fast. Another scam.
Oh my god, no.
Oh, that's my wife.
Uh-oh.
Yes. Yep, so, hey, shut the f*** up! We're vlogging here! So
now I have to go in and put the ducky noise in.
The squeeze. So yeah, we've been living in this Bentley for like 4 months already, trying to figure out what the wiring issue is. And we've determined, well, finally we came to this portion of the car, the back right of the car, and every time we play around with these CAN bus wires or this wire loom here, we keep getting different codes and stuff. So we're gonna open up this wiring loom and see if it kind of rubbed through, check out these connectors. Also, this car was in an accident. In this area here, we saw the spot welds. So that could also, there could be something pinched somewhere. But yeah, so if we don't fix this today, I'll be sleeping in this thing again. Either me or I'll let Matt over here sleep in it. Hi, Matt. I'll let Matt sleep in it tonight. At least it's comfortable. This is your CAN bus bridge. This basically connects all of the modules and all the networks in the car. What we noticed, this is a convertible, by the way. This right here, this is all corrosion from water getting into the car. So when we did the diagnosis on it, we pulled up the wiring diagram and followed all the modules that were down to this little connector to this bridge here. And I mean, I did this yesterday, so you won't see it, but there's corrosion on these pins inside. We kind of cleaned them up a little bit, so we don't know if maybe, I don't really know what this looks like under here, if it just bridges it together or if there's some sort of a resistor between here, between the two CAN lines, because you probably can't connect those two CAN lines together without some sort of a resistance device thing, you know. Cleaned out some of these pins, put some dielectric grease in it. That one had the most corrosion. We plug it back in. Sometimes we still get the CAN bus single wire mode, sometimes we don't. But it's like, it's hard to figure out because every time I move this wiring loom, then it also does stupid things here and there. So
you have to cut open the...
We're gonna cut this open and see if that metal bracket that goes here for the seatbelt wore some of these wires through or broke the insulation or...
Sounds like fun.
Yeah, it's a blast. So if you want a Bentley, then be prepared for massive roof leaks and there's another common issue with these. Actually, the mechanisms get out of alignment, and then they start to poke holes in the roof. If you read your Bentley owner's manual, it says that you need to replace your roof assembly every 10 years. Oh. To a tune of $23,000.
What a scam.
You can, for 23 grand, you can literally buy 3 used Volkswagen GTIs. If one Volkswagen goes down, because it's gonna go down, it's gonna break, you have a spare Volkswagen. And then when your spare Volkswagen breaks, you have a spare Volkswagen for a spare Volkswagen. So you can get the first Volkswagen fixed. All right, so now we're gonna cut this open because none of that's working. So
it's called a what? A wiring fruit of the loom?
The wiring fruit of the loom.
We're about to see the fruit of the loom.
Trying to be really careful and not cut the wires.
Yeah, don't cut the wires. That goes against everything.
Not the red wire.
No, it's never the red one. Wait, what?
You see Saving Private Ryan where he's holding his guts in?
Yeah.
That's what that looks like.
Oof.
Oof.
Like a rainbow guts.
Rainbow guts. Or like Star Wars when Luke Skywalker cuts that thing open.
Exactly.
Same thing.
Fruit of the loom.
Like that.
Tauntaun? Wonton? I can't remember.
Wonton soup? I'm trying to be as careful as possible. Oof.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. There's
There
all types of CAN bus wires in here. So when you're looking at a wiring loom,
Yeah.
any single wires like this, these are just, you know,
Oh.
they're just wires.
Yeah. Just wires.
I don't know what to call them. They're just wires, right? The ones that are spun like this,
Yeah.
these are your CAN bus wires,
Oh,
CAN
okay.
high and CAN low. And then this purple wire here, that's your K line.
Mhm.
And where's the blue wire? No, not the blue wire. This blue wire right here, that's the other K line. So you have CAN high, CAN low, K line. CAN high, CAN low, K line. Usually these wires will run anywhere from what, 2.5 on each side, and when they're connected they make 5 volts. I'm not the electrician here, he is.
Oh.
He's the guy that takes the circuit boards apart. I'm just the guy that puts clutch pedals in Ferraris. You want to cycle the key? I don't see anything broken here though.
I think it's in the terminals.
I think it's in the terminals too. If
The only option left.
all right, well, all these wires are exposed. So I mean, if there's a break somewhere, it should clear out.
She would just spark.
If not, we'll just take that junction box apart and
Is the box,
just make one.
Is the box on
the box is on.
the bus board?
Clear it out. See what happens. And cycle the key. Everything's sticky.
The whole car is held together by a little plastic cap.
Yes, the whole entire life of this car depends on that little plastic cap. That's the heart.
The Loom.
So Matt's clearing the codes out of the computer, and after messing around with this Loom a little bit, the code has gone away. So it's either replace the harness or figure out which one of these CAN lines is broken.
That doesn't sound like fun at all.
No, it's not fun.
It's not coming back.
It's not. Yeah, the code's not coming back. So. We can. I think Tavares has a spare Bentley. We can take some parts off of it.
Does he?
It's not a convertible
Not a
though.
convertible.
But he fixed it already. It runs, right?
I think so.
One of the first comments I put on that video was
Oof.
like, leave it to Tavares to replace the whole engine for a bad MAF wire.
Oof.
See how the MAF wire was cooked?
Did you hear that, Tavares? Matt's
What?
talking shit. Oh, damn it. Now
Talking squeaky. Damn it.
Talking squeaky.
Damn it. Stop.
I mean,
Stop
I
it.
didn't see the car.
Hey, shut up! We're vlogging here!
See, that works. See, if you could just edit yourself, then I don't have to go in and do the squeakies.
Oh, are you
What?
are you talking? Are you talking?
Dude, that's awesome, bro.
That is awesome. Hey, instead of around over there and talking, why don't you in the car already? For sakes.
What?
I don't know what you did, but it's not coming back.
So we fixed it.
Is it fixed? Yeah, now none of the codes are coming back now. Not even the seat code.
I unplugged it.
Ah. What happens if I kick it? Then I gotta reboot it. That's a good test to see if it is those connectors.
Oh yeah, definitely
Great
kick
test.
it. Kick it for sure. It's that Polish engineering.
Hey, it's not coming back. Wait a minute. It's not coming back. This is like back in the day when your like TV set wasn't working properly.
You
and
just
your-
hit it a
and
bunch
your
of times?
dad gets all pissed off because it's got like a bunch of like squiggly lines all over the same screen. Like self-editing right now.
I appreciate that.
Yeah, no problem. And then he takes a big hammer and he starts beating the TV until the TV starts working. That's what a Bentley is. You just gotta. Where's my hammer?
It's just a big TV.
Yeah, now it came back. After kicking it, it came back. It's gotta be that. Hey, what do you want to do? You want to cut? Let's cut the wires back, put new pins in it, or just solder everything together and call it a day. How about that?
The harness
What
then.
are we doing? We're gonna
Just
do
gonna
this, bro?
solder everything together, call it a day, because they don't sell those. So if you're having, and no free brand deals, but if you want a really good CAN bus tool where you can actually plug in to the CAN bus wires, get a Cardac 3 Plus. It's a 4-channel CAN bus tool sniffer thing, and then it'll tell you on the computer your waveforms and everything, and then you can figure out if, which module is down or what wire, what network is down. That's why they have these all bunched up here together, because this goes into separate modules. So like this will be your central convenience, that'll be like your window module, your seats, your dashboard. So then you can figure out exactly what CAN network is down without doing what I'm doing, kicking it. Since we don't have a Cardac 3 yet, all we can do is kick it. So till then, we're just gonna keep kicking Bentleys.
Wait, you're back in it already?
Yeah,
You just kicked it and then...
Yeah, I'm back to exercise my foot a little bit more.